How to change PayPal business account to personal account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change your personal PayPal account, on how you can change your business account to personal account. For that, you first of all want to open up any web browser. Now search for paypal.com. Then you want to log into your account by entering all of your credentials. Now scroll down and click on the option of Contact Us. Here you want to click on the option of Message Us. Then you will be able to chat with PayPal Assistant immediately or leave a message for an agent. Now over here on this box, you want to say that you want to downgrade from your business account to your personal account. Once you send this message, PayPal will suggest you some articles. You can go through that, or you can request for a live agent. Then you can simply request the live agent to downgrade your business plan to your personal plan. Then they will help you accordingly. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.